We don't finish cook. The video see the how we take cook this food. So food we get today, we just want eat as family, not say for where we for come. And so today they eat, we'll sit down for ground. Food when they sit down for ground shop, now eat the sweet pass. If you only want to eat, you don't go enjoy them. So if you they eat with your husband, your children, the thing go they sweet, now go they rush hand, so the thing go they sweet. So that's what they eat, so that all of us go they should use to like case we did here. We had to eat together. Everybody will not say yes, we don't do this one before. So we will not talk too much. So see what we get for this food. Okro soup. So una don cook man wetin we take cook am, but if na this video na first check, na first see or na the one we take cook that one na take see am. So for here we get okro soup prepared by Chioma, because I assist them. If not, this food not go sweet. We still get fish, dry fish, goat meat, see our pade yam. The video there we take make am too. So first of all, let's pray. So let's wash our hands. Wait, don't rush. You wash.
I need to wash my hands.
Don't worry, you will wash your hands. Oh yeah, you wash your hands. This is how they used to do it, senior by senior. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Oh yeah, you wash your hands. Now which one do you want to show? Not be one. Oh, it's okay. So I need to keep this water this side so that people will not treat it away. Oh yeah, let's eat. Wash us as we eat. Naija way. Hey. When I leave this plate one side now, it hurts you. It's not all, sorry. Guys, come on, join us. It's so delicious. Don't stay your body. I'm coming. Marvelous, eat now. Pepper day. No pepper, marvelous.
It's very sweet. Yes.
It's very sweet.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you. We prepare it. See, your brother can eat. You to eat no problem. Chidima, go on that fan. I said this food they cost eat. Because we just dey cook and finish, so eat all what. No, you can dress it, go back. Oh yeah, plug it. The fan is plugged already, alright? Oh yeah, open your mouth. Can you eat by yourself? Good boy.
Thank you. Not only touching everywhere.
What do we have him?
And pepper, cumin, kata.
Oh, no, mommy, the guy they call this food on hungry. Don't play with food. Chidima. See what Chidima they call her mom.
Sorry.
Okay. Don't do it, okay? People can't eat it, it's not good. Take. Don't use two hands. Take. Marvelous, eat your food. I'll put your mouth. I'm not saying they don't feed you, no chop.
I eat by myself.
You can eat by yourself, but yeah, eat now. You can eat by yourself, you're not eating by yourself. You say you can eat by myself. So this soup,
It's very good.
it's very good.
And it's a more food than
I can't do padanya, well,
it's
right?
good. It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Yes.
Mm. When I bring food come outside, food see dey o, I tire for lion. Cause if they use soup rub am. Una wey dey ask every time una go see me and the children dey eat. Una go say Igwe left, Igwe no dey, Igwe no dey house. So as Igwe no dey house, we no fit dey wait for una before we eat na. As we cook finish, we need to eat, do video. So now I make am no dey see. Anytime you see dinner, say dey see am for house. So now you not dey, so you need to eat alone. You are lying, it's not hot. Eat.
I tell it's hot.
You think it's hot? You don't tire. See, eat, eh? Eat them my body. Hmm?
Stop staining my body.
Your body must stay. Try how we to
I
eat.
didn't touch your body. Me, I need water.
You need water. But never eat anything. I'll better feed you. Sorry. I drink. You see the little, see that food. That's only the little over baby, but this that thing. Oh guys, this food is so delicious. We enjoy it. Water.
Yes, I am very full. I can't stop eating.
You are very fun. You can't stop eating the soup. Why?
Because of bolo is my favorite.
Because this is Ogbono. Because the Ogbono is drying and this one still dey draw. So that make sense. Draw is come.
I am bolo.
How many food do you eat? You say you are very full. Now first you take the eat. Now to eat cheese roll and biscuit sweet, you can do that.
But mommy, I am eating plenty, but I'm not.
And you are eating plenty and not fat.
Yes, you have body than before.
Yes, now you have body. Now she do the second operation. Now you have body now than before.
A birthday.
One boy dead.
A boy, not a boy.
Now come and eat your meat. Mama, stand up.
Come on.
You are not going outside again and play. You are not going outside. If you know that you want to eat, go outside. I take your meat and eat. It's too big. I don't tire. Nah.
Thank mom.
Take it. Thank God.
I am belly full.
What are you supposed to say when you belly full?
Thank mom.
Thank God. And you?
Thank mom. Thank God.
Thank God.
Thanks, sir.
Where did you see, sir?
But anytime I eat, I used to say thanks, sir, even that is not around. Thank mom. Show my thank mom.
Oh yeah, eat your meat.
Thank mom. Can I take my thank you?
Thank meat. People can lick the soup. That is full. Oh, big. So guys, I hope Look at the food. I went and see the food for pot. Then why they make this food? See the one you remember. But it's good. Picking they eat, better passing they not they eat. Now let this one. I know they eat for this. I see one. So then, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video with Paul. I don't want to watch it for you by myself, okay? So, how do you feel eating together?
Good.
You like it?
But I don't like to eat alone.
You don't like to eat alone? Why?
Because if I eat alone, I don't have somebody.
Appetite.
Yes, like I can talk and have fun. Because if everybody sit together and eat, it's more better than sitting alone and be eating.
Okay, we eat together is better than you eat alone. And you? You like eating together?
Yeah.
Chimele, you like eating together?
Yes.
You see? Me too, I like eating together. Because if I eat alone, this food all of us finish now. I no go fit eat am. Because if I cut, I'll tire. Once all of us eat and we rush am. So we get a food. So that is how we go. Stop. That is how we roll in Blessing Family TV.
I am really full.
We are really full.
I can't eat again.
So tomorrow we are still going to cook like this and eat for them. This mukbang, if you do, make sure you. Oh yeah, look them and tell them. Look them.
Subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up, and like.
Thumbs up and like this one. See, she did chop. She did man. Comment because he don't too eat. Overfeed the one. They say comment, like, thumbs up. Don't tire. Better go and wash your hand and go outside and play. When you play now, the food will come out soon for your body. Then before you come back in the evening now, we'll cook spaghetti and eat.
And thank my mommy.
I'm going to end this video. Let me end the video. So guys, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Please keep on watching Blessing Family TV. Bye guys. We love you.
Bye.